In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white, which means that location is on. If you wish to turn it off, hit the same tile again. You can also go into Devices settings and scroll down to access location. Then click on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!